Hey you guys, it's your girl Delilah Luv coming back at it with another video, and today we are going to do a get ready with me, as in adding hygiene, hair, makeup, and all the 9 yards. So let's get right into this video. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Cetaphil to clean off my face. You know, I need to have that good old clean face when I'm stepping out into the world, baby. We don't do that. So you scrubbed up and do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash my body. I'm not going to show y'all all the things that I'm going to do because I got aggravated when it was getting steamy. So yeah, y'all keep watching. Okay, so now it's time to add your moisturizer to your body. You know, I got all types of moisturizer. I got my sunscreen, my custom body butter. Yeah, we're going to do that. And also moisturize your face. Don't forget that. Now it's time to brush my teeth. So before I brush my teeth, I always use my mouthwash and, you know, wiggle, diggle, daggle, daggle to get all that excess food out my mouth. Then I brush my teeth with my toothpaste. And then right after that, I will rinse off my mouth, use my tongue scraper. After my tongue scraper, I'm going in with my mouthwash again. And after my mouthwash, I'm using warm water. Yes, there's steps to this. Now it's time to add your moisturizer to your hair. Yes, my hair look raggedy and I don't know where my stocking cap, so don't come for me. Now I'm going to add my baby hairs because we're going to do a half out hairstyle with my wig. And then after that, we're going to just whoop the whoop with the wig and do the moisturizer. Nothing major, something slight, but it's still going to look cute. Okay, you guys, now I'm doing my brows. I'm using this new brow kit that came in my, I added to my makeup collection. It comes with the brow pencil, the concealer, the brush, and also the brow, like, you know, holder. But I'm not really sure about the concealer, but we're going to make it work as always. Also, this is a hard position of trying to record this video for you by doing my makeup. I don't really have like the mirror that I want, but it's okay because we're going to do what we got to do to like film this video.
right, you guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yes, I did a lot in this video, so y'all give me a round of applause, baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Delilah, and I'm out.